pan or a circular pan, it's just going to take a lot longer for your recipe to bake. Okay, muffins will bake a lot quicker.
The cords are right here heading down onto this. This is the microbit, and this is the chip. And then this is the battery pack that makes it work. Hi, my name is Jenny. I love Hello classes.
Add the
Combine
butter.
the milk, 2 tablespoons of butter.
I'm Victoria. My daughter is Jenny, and we take Hello classes. As crazy high, but the bread is
So you might have.
We kind of wanted to explore different interests that she might have, like photography or robotics, coding, cooking. There's been such a variety of classes, and there's other teachers. So she's not just with me every day, all day long. So we started with River Springs in kindergarten. And when I first walked in to choose the curriculum, I was overwhelmed. I went right to the field trips lady, and Kathy, and she was amazing. And the field trips was one thing I knew we wanted to do a lot of, and we really kind of revolve our curriculum around field trips. But the rest of it, I was kind of lost. But everybody there was like, you can do this. We're here to support you. And we've been with River Springs 7 years now, and we've never felt like we're on our own. So, River Springs, the teachers, the ESs, and now this Hello program, it has just kind of rounded out our curriculum, because, I can't do it all, and you can't do it all. And you get so much support, and the Hello classes are just another link to that support.
I think you should do a class. It's very awesome.
Our Hello program is a perfect opportunity for homeschooled students at Springs Charter School to further personalize their learning. We have hundreds of classes to choose from, a huge variety of topics, amazing teachers our students love, and flexible schedules. We even have classes for parents too.
We love Hello. It has taken our homeschooling program from mediocre to just amazing.
There's something for everyone at Hello.